How to apply almond oil to hair. Almond oil contains all kinds of healthy ingredients for hair like omega-3 fatty acids, phospholipids, vitamin E, and magnesium. Using almond oil nourishes and strengthens your hair, and is optimal for treating hair loss and damaged hair. First method. Doing an extensive treatment. 1. Rinse your hair with warm water and comb it out. 2. Heat up the almond oil for 10 seconds. 3. Rub the oil into your scalp around the root area. 4. Use a wide-toothed comb to disperse the oil. 5. Cover your hair with shower cap and let the oil absorb. 6. Use shampoo to wash the oil from your hair. 7. Rinse out the shampoo and pat your hair with a towel. 8. Repeat once a week for best results. Second method. Doing a quick fix. 1. Comb your dry hair until it's tangle-free. 2. Rub a few drops of almond oil into your palms. Just a few drops, less than half a teaspoon of almond oil, should be enough to coat your hair. 3. Run your fingers through your hair. Start at the ends of your hair and then slowly work up into the strands. 4. Put a few drops onto your fingers and apply the oil to the very tips of your hair a few times a day, or however often you need, to keep your hair strong and beautiful. Thanks for watching.